Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make money with Temu affiliate program. Now the first thing that you should do is you have to create an account for the Temu affiliate program. So you just have to open your web browser and then type out Temu affiliate. And then you'll be able to see this website right here. Now you just have to select this first one. Okay, so just click on this www.temo.com affiliate. And right here, you will then just have to sign up for an account if you don't have any. So just simply click on this orders and account options right here at the top right, and then you can continue with your Google account. Okay, so you can also go here and then type out your email or phone number, or just continue with Google, Facebook, or with your Apple ID or with your Twitter. So for now, I am going to use my Google account. Then just have to choose your account and then just click on continue. Okay, and then this page will load. So, and as you can see, you already have an available cash of 100 pesos, or this is equivalent to $1.8. And right here, you can also earn up to 30% commissions if you refer this to new app users right here with your affiliate link or code. And then right here, you can also have 200 peso download rewards for every referral who downloads and orders. And right here, when you click under more details, so you'd be able to see these details right here. So you have the 30% commissions. So you can earn commissions in the first 10 purchases. So right here at your right side, you'd be able to see this. You have here your referrals benefits. So when you copy this link and paste here, so you'd be able to earn commissions reward only when your referral is in your region. Okay, and you can also have 30% off if you clicked on it. So right here, new app users can redeem your code to enjoy a 30% discount. And right here also, you can redeem code between 1 to 24 hours after first downloading. So the very first time you create your Temu affiliate program, you'd be able to have a lot of free benefits on this website. And if you think you don't have any idea on how to do it, don't worry, because right here you'd be able to see these instructions. So you can submit on coupon sites, you can paste linked in your bio, you can place linked in your post, you can also send it to your friends. So there is a fortune to be gained here, so get high returns easily. And right here you can post on SNS to promote your link, code, more views and more views. Okay, and then reading all of that, now let us proceed and look for a product that we can actually sell. So you just have to go to temo.com, then make sure that you have created your account right here. The same for the Temo affiliate account. Okay, and then once you're here, just going to look for a trending products that most of people are buying right now. So when we want to sell this, so we'd be able to get our commissions. So let's see, for example, I would like to sell a headset or an earbuds that is wireless, because that is one of the trends these days. And we want to sell an affordable one in order for us to have an effective product to our buyers. See, for example, this one right here. So first thing that you should do is you have to look for an image or a video I suggest that you can download. So for example, this one right here. So you just have to right click this one and then save this video to your PC or a laptop, and then save it to your folder so you can find it later on immediately. So I'm going to rename this one and then put it in this folder. Then once you're done, just have to click on save. Okay, and then the next thing that you should do is you have to go to Pinterest, because we're going to use Pinterest to advertise our product. So of course, if you don't have an Pinterest account, so you have to sign up. So just go to this website right here, and then you'll be able to see this sign up button or logged in button at the top right of your screen. So you just have to click on it. Okay, and then right here you just have to type out your email, your password, and then your birth date, or you can also continue with Google. Okay, and then just have to choose your Google account and then click on confirm, and then just have to click on next. Then just have to select your gender, You can go with female, male, or specify other. Then your language and your country. Now you just have to click on next. Right here, you just have to select the topic that you're interested in. So this will customize your new home feed. Okay, you just have to select the record numbers of topics and then click on meet your home feed. Now you already have your Pinterest account. So the next thing that you should do is you have to click on create right here. Then right here, you just have to choose a file and drag and drop it here. Just have to click on it and then make sure to put here the video that we have downloaded from Temu. So you just have to go to your folder and then locate that specific video. Okay, so let me just find it. So this one, and then just click on open. So right here, you just have to type out the title of the product. And you can also use the search bar at the top to see if there are related title for this trending product. So for example, wireless headphones. So you just have to select the best one for this. For example, I'm going to go with this one. And then just have to copy the title and then type out right here or paste it right here in the title box. Okay, then after that, of course, you have to type out right here your description. So you just go with a very simple description. So introducing your latest wireless earphones with LED display, slick design, crystal clear sound, and real-time battery and track information. So this is very affordable, and for only, of course, you have to type it right here the price of the product. So you have to go back to the Temu and then copy the same product price. Okay, so you just have to go back to your Pinterest and paste here the price of that product. Okay, and then after that, just add a very short conclusion for this one. For example, order now with this link. So you have to go back to your Temu affiliate account and you have to copy your affiliate links to this one. So just copy this and then go back to Pinterest and you have to paste it right here. And don't forget to paste the same link right here in the link section. And then for the board, you can also choose your board. You can also tag topics. So every time customers clicked on your affiliate link, then they'd be redirected to that specific product, and once they buy it, then you will be able to get your commissions. Now you just have to publish this one and then it will be available on the Pinterest. So whenever someone tried to search for the same title as what we have created, then they'll be able to see our product. So when you click on this right here, okay, you'd be able to see here the product details, the description, the name of the product, as well as the video of the product. So when you click on the Temu.com right here, they'd be redirected to that specific link. And then once they buy it using your affiliate link, you'll be able to get your commission. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.